Welcome to EDA Academy's course on Formal Verification, PSL coding. In this course, you'll delve into cutting-edge developments in formal verification, focusing on writing efficient property codes and assertions using Property Specification Language, PSL. Hi, I'm Peng Yu, your course instructor. With nearly 2 decades of experience in digital circuit design and verification, I've developed this course to bridge the gap between traditional simulation engineers and formal verification engineers. Gain practical insights from industry experts and elevate your verification skills to the next level. Learn to write concise and effective property code, understand the nuances of the PSL property language, and harness the power of assertions in property-based verification. After completing this course, you'll master formal verification, focusing on writing efficient property codes and assertions in PSL. You'll apply formal verification to projects, identify suitable design modules, and describe design behaviors. The course covers developing verification environments, avoiding PSL issues, and optimizing efficiency. Our course offers a comprehensive understanding of how PSL enhances verification quality, improving design error controllability and observability. You'll cover various PSL technologies, enabling you to apply PSL where it provides the best return on investment. Through lectures and hands-on exercises, you'll gain practical experience in writing concise and effective property code, understanding the nuances of the PSL property language, and harnessing the power of assertions in property-based verification. The course is structured into modules, starting with an introduction to formal verification using PSL coding. You'll learn about property checking, formal property verification, and the basics of Property Specification Language, PSL. The course also covers coding guidelines, the use of auxiliary HDL code, and verification units. To enroll in this course, you should have a basic understanding of digital design principles and hardware description languages, HDLs. Familiarity with PSL is recommended but not required. Prior experience in formal verification is advantageous but not necessary. With my extensive background and expertise in formal verification projects, I'm dedicated to sharing my knowledge and insights with learners at EDA Academy. I've developed a unique formal verification methodology that has been successfully deployed in leading chip companies. For an introduction to this course, you can view the course introduction and some preview videos in the course content. Anyone who has purchased lifetime access and subscribers can access the latest content for free as long as they maintain their subscription to the course, ensuring they stay abreast of the most current content. Additionally, I have developed a series of formal verification training courses on EDA Academy, starting from foundational concepts and progressing to advanced topics. Each course is crafted by industry professionals, ensuring that students receive the most up-to-date and relevant information. Enroll today in formal verification, PSL coding on EDA Academy and take your verification skills to the next level.